Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the control knob on your top load washer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to replace the control knob, if the old one is still in place, you'll need to remove it first. So simply grasp the side of it and pull it off. If it doesn't come off easily, there's a simple trick that we can use to pull it off without damaging the shaft that is attached to the back of it. We're simply going to take a thin cotton rag. We're going to slide the edge of that in between the base of the knob and the control panel itself. Wrap it all the way around. Make sure that we overlap. And then we're just going to twist that rag in the direction that we overlapped it and then pull straight out. That gives a nice even pressure on the knob. You can safely remove it that way. Now next, we'll check the shaft to make sure that the metal insert from the knob is not stuck on that shaft. Then we simply need to line up the flat side of the insert on that knob with the flat side of the shaft. Press it firmly into place. And your repair is complete.